Okay, today we have some fireworks that we're gonna launch off later, and I just want to show you what we got. So first, I got this Texas rattlesnake cake by Showtime Fireworks. We got 2 Saturn missile batteries by Red Rhino. We got this lightsaber by Legend Fireworks. We have a pack of 10 ball exploding Roman candles by Showtime. We have the Spitfire candle by Black Hat. We have this parachute, this 40-inch parachute by Red Rhino. I have 2 of these artificial satellite packs by Red Rhino. I have a open pack of super booms. I have some bottle rockets and some dynamite debbies. And I also have some random firecrackers. That's all we have. We have the Smoking Guns canister shells by Black Market Fireworks. And these ones are interesting because these ones look like they might have more powder than those ones. So we're gonna shoot those off here in a little. Zips. This is an artificial satellite. This is an M150 firecracker. Whoa. This is a rum candle. This is a Saturn missile. This is the Texas rattlesnake cake. That's $5. These are the Smoking Guns mortar by Black Market Fireworks. Blue, normal shaped. Okay. This is the green egg-shaped. This is the yellow egg-shaped.
He like runs off.
Can you tell, is that red or orange?
Red.
It's the red egg-shaped. The pink egg-shaped. This is the blue egg-shaped.